Banyakun persia kecing im ya ka ika basniu kala long ka ba ban job. Nrei ban sim da karai kut baskem ban ong ba sisin kasngi kecing job chunga kadai ka pom la mudur ba pring kecing ngala ban job. Wai na Samla Khasi wa shong basa maulai mau yong rim balatip kerteng kumu walkin stone shadap arhu as nem ka arta ba pulai ruhani ho. Ne Samla ula sim da kani kasin jam ka ba bha ban pen isya ka pratai banyakun persia kecing jelai jong udrok. Uni Samla ulat temu banyat Kjat Naduh Nongbah jongka Arunachal Pradesh kabadai ka Itanagar Shaduh Nongbah Shillong. Uni Samla rengkat kecing sendran jong men jong badai ru kordan syadap lembat ki paralog na penusla ki bakan thok mas majau bat uslim khongkliam tila kersyan Uni Samla ban mi no la syai ha step life hoterik unai lur araja arar pusau na pok ka college di Ranatung Government College ka badon hapot ka Nongbah Itanagar. Usam lawal kin haba kren sekilat patai kubor jong ka Itanagar ula penpau pakane kadai kemon ka bau jit kalalong ka bau smut tenat hi ban sim dagane ka senjam ula ong ru bau kwa paki Samla ki long ki ba plut por ban le ka ching im kum ha ka sport la ni kinu ku jajing le kai ban pen cengai na la de na ka ching sya te mrau hau drop ula ong ru ba kumbang i mentah hakilat patai kubor ka ching jelai ka jong drop kalalong ka ba isir kai usam lawal kin ula bu ru da ka thong ban mi na Itanagar na du kalai pau tarik unai lur pat ban poi sya ka Nongbah Shillong kan dei ha ka Tarik urisau.
That's a very big issue that we are dealing right now. So why we want to walk? Walking from Itanagar to Shillong will not make everyone stop using drugs. Even if I tell them, let's stop using drugs, we know that they won't listen to us. That combating drugs is not a easy process. The process is not going to be so easy that this is going to be 100% success. But why we are using walking? Walking is like we just want to set an example because youths, instead of using drugs, instead of giving their time to drugs, why not give their time to something productive, like do something with your life? Drugs is just going to ruin your life. Everyone knows that. So this is an example, like I am setting an example that I will walk, I will make something good about my life. I will not cause any harm or I will not be a danger to the society. So the rest of all the youths, they can also do something good with their life. They can choose anything. They can choose sports. They can choose their talent like singing, their dance. But later on in life, it is the consequences. It is the many things that going on, maybe in their family, maybe along with their friends. Some things that they find, that they encounter in their life that cause them to go to that path. So we would like to encourage parents to create an environment where they always encourage their child in whatever they want to do. Like they should not always expect their child to become they should not expect their child to become what they want them to be.
We look forward to create a successful outcome from what is said to be an example for the youth of our society in Northeast and in the country as a whole. We would also like to express our gratitude towards our sponsors and also the government of Meghalaya, specifically the sports department, who has helped us a lot in aid for our campaign against drugs. And we would also
our work will not be able to give 100% success. We know that when I work, not everyone will say, okay, let's stop doing drugs because you work. But our prime objective here is to set an example. So even after this campaign, when people want to contact us, want to share us, whatever they have, like they have their plans or they have their dreams, like they want to share with us, we are very open to do that, and we will always be.
There are 5 of us, and working stone, you will be the only one working, and the rest of the team members will be there for support.
So if you want to join, you can contact us. You can reach out to us through our Instagram page or our WhatsApp number that we will be sharing with the press, and we hope that they will display this information with the news clips. Thank you.